Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to sell on Dubizzle. So without further ado, let's jump into it. First of all, you're gonna place an ad, okay, for the item that you want to sell, and you're gonna select your location if it was Abu Dhabi or Dubai or Al Ain or any other place. So let's say I'm in Abu Dhabi, and let's say you go and it says, sorry, select the area that best suits your ad. If you want to sell property, community, if it was related to communities or jobs, you can always do them. So let's say, for example, I want to go to the motors section. So after we proceed, you're gonna see used car for sale, motorcycles, boats, let's say boats. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and proceed, and you're gonna see in like a list to see the category of this boat, if it was like motorboats or sailboats or raw and paddle boats. So let's say, for example, motorboats. All right, and what is are used for. So let's say fishing boat, racing boat, yacht. Let's say I want to select yacht. I have a yacht. All right, so here in this section we're gonna enter the title of the yacht, and you're gonna add, mandatory, you're gonna have to add like some pictures or whatever about this yacht, and at least one picture is enough, and set a price. Let's say, for example, 1-800, and describe your boat. Let's say big yacht. All right, with let's say with the serving food. All right, food and beverages. All right, so we're gonna enter the age of the yacht, and let's say 1 to 6 months, 6 to 12 months. And usage, if your yacht been used by some other people, you can always say used numerous times, or if it was still with a dealer, and let's say, for example, with a dealer, in the condition perfect inside out, almost no noticeable problems or flaws. So let's say select that, and select seller type, owner or dealer. I'm an owner. And the warranty, yes. In the length around, let's say 20 to 24 feet. So, and you're gonna enter locate your boat, and you're gonna enter like location of the boat, and you're gonna proceed. And it says right here, you're gonna agree to the terms. They're gonna review it and approve it once they see, or once the offer is checks out, and your ad, or sorry, your boat will be on sale on Dubizzle. So that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.